how to fix get this app from Play Store error on Android. So if you want to fix get this app from Play Store error on your Android, like if you're trying to download any application or if you're trying to play any game, and if it says that get this app from Play Store, even though it's already installed, then don't panic. So whether the app was sideloaded or installed straight from the Play Store, this method works in most cases. So first you need to open the app that's showing the error. For example, I'll be using Messenger application. Now once you're inside the app and see the error, don't close it yet. Here's what you need to do. You need to open up your Google Play Store, and in the search bar, you need to type the name, like for example, the Messenger. And if you have any updates under your Messenger, you need to just simply cancel the update. First, you need to just simply tap on update and then quickly cancel the update. This trick forces the system to revalidate the app, and for many users, that's all it takes to fix the problem. But if there's no update option showing, then here's the second method. You need to uninstall the app completely from your device, then head back to your Google Play Store and search for the same app and install it. This ensures you have the latest official version installed, and more often than not, it solves the issue for good. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.